Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Apple ID password on iPhone. So guys, if you want to find your Apple ID password on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, the first way is that you have to simply open your passwords app, and if you don't have, you have to simply download it from the App Store. So I search for password, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of passwords app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this open the app and open the app again with your Face ID, and from here you can see all of your saved password if you have recently saved your passwords in this passwords app. So guys, you can see Wi-Fi passwords, passkeys, codes, and other passwords as well. So guys, simply tap on passwords, and here you can see appleid.apple.com, and from here you can easily view the password of your Apple ID from here. So I simply tap on password, and after this you can see the password of your Apple ID from here. So this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open settings, go to your profile, then go to your sign in and security option, and then scroll it below, and then you have to simply tap on change password, and then you have to simply change your password for your Apple ID for one time. So I simply do this, and after this you can remember the password of your Apple ID with this reset option. So guys, in this way you can also find or reset Apple ID password on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.